Southern California's devastating wildfires in recent days have been the result of a perfect storm of weather and climate conditions that created an unprecedented threat across the region. At least 2 lives have been lost, several injured, and thousands forced to evacuate as the Palisades, Eaton, Hearst, and Woodley fires ravaged thousands of acres, engulfing parts of Los Angeles County, including affluent neighborhoods like the Pacific Palisades. The fires were fueled by an exceptionally dry landscape, with only 0.16 inches of rain recorded since May 6th, leaving vegetation tinder dry and ready to ignite. However, the true culprit behind the rapid spread of the fires was the low humidity combined with an intense Santa Ana windstorm, which was described by the National Weather Service as life-threatening. The severity of the Santa Ana winds stemmed from a unique atmospheric alignment, as explained by Kurt Kaplan, a retired National Weather Service forecaster. A low-pressure system over Baja California caused a strong subsidence of colder, denser air, which descended over the region, creating powerful mountain waves. These waves brought damaging winds cascading down the mountains into foothills and coastal communities, areas typically less impacted by such winds. Cities like Burbank, Pasadena, and Beverly Hills, usually spared from the brunt of Santa Ana events, found themselves in the fire's path. Gusts tore through vulnerable landscapes, turning smoldering embers into walls of flame that devastated both natural and urban areas. Despite the overwhelming challenges, early warnings from the National Weather Service on Monday helped mitigate potential losses. California Governor Gavin Newsom took proactive measures, directing fire engines, hand crews, aircraft, and additional support to high-risk zones before the fires even began. By midweek, the region remained under a state of emergency, with over 30,000 residents displaced and firefighters working tirelessly to contain the blazes. The situation was particularly dire in the Pacific Palisades, home to some of Los Angeles' wealthiest residents, where properties belonging to celebrities like Josh Gad, Steve Guttenberg, Chris Pratt, Mandy Moore, and Eugene Levy faced imminent danger. This disaster followed closely on the heels of last month's massive wildfire in Malibu, which scorched over 4,000 acres and displaced 20,000 residents. As the winds are expected to taper off to more moderate levels, the region remains on edge, bracing for further challenges while firefighters battle to protect lives and property. The confluence of climate change, prolonged drought, and extreme weather events has turned Southern California into a tinderbox, highlighting the urgent need for adaptive measures and community preparedness in the face of an ever-growing wildfire threat.